you can't keep throwing people at, data security problems. You have to help those individuals with automation technology, and low-code, no-code platforms like Workato is tooling that works really well and is helping us scale, and it's allowing us to connect applications together. It's allowing us to create new capabilities at the same time. And those innovative and new capabilities are going to allow us to scale to be that $1 billion organization that we're initially going to be. And I'm sure we'll go beyond that as well at some point.
My name is Priya Dodwad, and I lead the enterprise automations team here at Rapid7. Rapid7 is a cybersecurity company based out of Boston, and we are here to securely advance our customers by providing them with visibility, analytics, and automation.
My name is Kieran Gilmurray. I'm the global enterprise automation leader for Rapid7, and my role is to bring automation technologies together to enable our internal staff to be more productive.
So one of the important business areas for us is the customer support team. And our customer support team are actively involved in helping out our customers by resolving and responding to their issues. And one of the key areas that we were finding our customer support team was spending a lot of time in is by manually having to context switch across various applications, because all this information in order to respond to an issue is kind of fragmented across different systems. And they had to manually go in, get that data, put it back in a system which was more visible to all of the team members, and then go from there. What this did was it definitely increased the time for us to respond to a case to our customer, thereby not providing them with exceptional customer response time and experience. Rapid7 being a cloud provider and a cloud security company, AWS is a very important channel for us to be able to share our opportunities and build that partnership with them. Before this automation was in place, the issue was that the sales team on the Rapid7 side had to manually share all these opportunities and lead information with the Amazon team. The updates that were done by AWS side had to be reflected on Rapid7 side, and vice versa. So there was a lot of manual time spent in keeping these two systems up to date for them to be able to keep up with the demand. Also, it was not a super scalable process, because as we were scaling and as more opportunities were getting generated, the team felt that they definitely needed to increase the headcount just to support a flow like this. Also, the adoption, like because the process was kind of not intuitive for our sales reps, the adoption of the partnership was not at the level that we were expecting. So for us, for a lot of these applications involved a lot of hardcore development time and skills, which at the time, given our team was super small, and it was like a mixture of business analysts and business systems folks, it kind of it was not a very good fit for us at that time. And that was the whole reason that a low-code, no-code platform like Workato was something that we chose, because we could get a lot of different business folks as well as the technical folks on our team up to speed in a fairly quick amount of time. One of the other criteria I felt we had was like the out-of-the-box connectors, because that saves us time from building custom connectors. Also, the ability to rerun jobs, ability for us to be able to have an amazing integration with Slack, which we use a lot in Rapid7. All those were a lot of pluses for us in terms of making that decision. There was a great partnership with Workato team and the Workato's customer success team at the time that kind of helped us get up to speed with the application and make sure all the team members on our team were also trained to be able to develop using Workato. Customer support team also has a support innovations team, and they came to us with an interest that they had heard about Workato and they wanted to actively participate in building this automation, which was great for us because that was kind of the direction that we wanted to go into. So this was our pilot use case where enterprise automation team partnered with the citizen development team, and we provided them with best practices, learnings across around Workato, and them they got up to speed and they built this automation using Workato, and now they are managing it and running it on production. What this automation did was we ended up saving 8,000 hours of manual support time that they were spending in context switching across all these apps and getting that information, which has been amazing. And we have definitely reduced the time to respond to our customers. With automation, what we were able to do is that the sales rep literally goes into our CRM, creates a record, adds some information and submits it. That's it. That's all they have to do. And the automation kind of handles everything in the back end in terms of sending it to Amazon, making sure the updates are reflected back, and all of that is being handled by the automation. Now, what this has led is this has led us to about we've gotten to about 327% year-over-year growth in terms of the opportunities we got to share with Amazon. Also, the adoption has increased considerably because we use a lot of Slack notifications in this flow as well, where the rep doesn't have to go into the system all the time, but they are getting just-in-time notifications. Also, the team didn't really have to increase the headcount. With whatever headcount they had, we are able to support the demand today, as well as Rapid7 scales, we will be able to support the demand in future because of the automation.
So at the moment, it's a really exciting journey because we just see exciting things happening over the next numbers of years, and we don't see ourselves limited in any direction. So the question at the moment is, what can't we do, not what can we do, is more pertinent.